Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the AMP Research bed extender on the Ram 1500 Keys to Ride truck. If you're looking for a way to get the max out of your truck bed, then check out this bed extender from AMP Research. This product is great for short bed pickups and is easily removable when not needed. The bed extender is made from aircraft-grade aluminum tubing, and it's high-strength, lightweight, and corrosion-resistant. It creates a fenced-off proximity inside your bed when the tailgate is up, and it extends your walled storage area by 2 feet when the tailgate is down. With your bed extender from AMP Research, you also receive 2 attached hold-down straps for securing the bed extender in place when the tailgate is down. As far as the installation goes, we rate this a 1 out of 10 and it'll take you about 30 minutes to complete it. The biggest thing to keep in mind here is following the template when drilling into the side bed. The bed extender from AMP Research is made in the USA and backed with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. Today we took a look at the bed extender from AMP Research. Check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. Thanks so much for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.